Alright, this next video we're going to go over the back kick stretch. So what you're going to do, well actually this stretch, it's a good balance. You know, in the martial arts we normally do front kicks and we do side kicks, but you rarely will ever kick somebody back like that. They call it like a mule kick. That's something that you wouldn't really do that often. You would instead of doing like a mule kick, what I would like to do is a back side kick. So the back stretch here is more relevant for like dancers, like ballet dancers, and maybe yoga. But the reason why I integrate this stretch, which I feel is very important, is balancing out, you know, all the muscles, that everything is stretched. So don't neglect the lower back, you know, and be able to stretch that area as well. It's not all about the front and the side and that's it. So I like to balance it out. So this is the back kick stretch that I call it. Okay, so what you do, you have a partner and they're going to be facing the wall and they're going to pretty much be like against the wall. Like I want them to be straight and then basically just bring their leg straight back up. I don't want her turning to the side, because if she turns to the side, then it's going to turn into a side kick stretch, and that's not what we're trying to stretch right now. We'll be stretching the lower back area right here and you know, bringing that leg up high, but also keeping that knee straight, like not just like bending the knee and bringing the leg up, but keeping the knee straight. So I want her facing the wall, bringing one leg up, back. So I'm going to support the knee with my right hand, and I'm going to grab my left, or use my left hand to grab like towards her ankle. And then I want to just basically bring it up and stretch this way until she feels it. If she wants to go more, then I can keep pushing up more. Okay, so we're going to hold it there for 30 seconds. Okay, so one other thing I want to add too is that I wanted the foot, which is what we're doing, the foot to be pointed towards the ceiling. So this clearly is a different stretch than the side kick and the front kick. It's pretty much the opposite of a front kick stretch. And you know, okay, you can put it down. Like the people that are really flexible, like you see some of these ballet dancers, they can actually like touch their foot behind them. Like they're really flexible in that area. Martial artists, they don't really have that type of flexibility. But this is a stretch that I feel that's important for us to be able to be more versatile in what we do. Let's do the other side.
This is going to be fun.
So remember I said to keep the knee straight, and then I'm going to put one hand to support the ankle, the other to support the knee, and I'm going to push up like this until she says stop. Okay. Count to 30. And then we're going to slowly lower back down. So that's what I call the back kick stretch. The video that I just made prior is the front kick and the side kick stretch. And this completes the angles of the kicks. So once again, the front kick goes this way, side kick goes this way, and then the back kick goes directly back. And I feel that it's very important to be able to go at all angles, to be flexible in every angle that you can be. So this is a stretch that I feel that you should practice as well. Like don't neglect one and don't, you know, do one and don't do the other. Anything to add?
It's good.
Everything's good. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out a little bit, and make sure that you're stretching to enhance your martial arts and just basically your health in general.